Welcome back for another video, y'all. So as y'all can see, we slaying with this icy lavender or whatever today, y'all. She should popping or whatever, y'all. If y'all want to see how I went ahead and slayed this wig, y'all, make sure y'all just stay tuned. You playing and we slaying. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social medias. Don't forget to subscribe so y'all don't miss another slay, y'all. And let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Come on. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel for another video, whatever. I do have this cute wig or whatever. Y'all saw me customizing it a little bit. The wig will be linked down in the description box below, so y'all can definitely check that out if y'all are interested. Y'all, she real cute, y'all. So yeah, y'all did see me customize this wig a little bit. Really cute, very lightweight. And y'all, I'm just ready to go ahead and throw her on. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Because I'm ready to go ahead and try her on, y'all. I don't know, y'all. Hold up now. Ooh. Y'all, let me go ahead and lay her down, do my edges and all that. Y'all, I'm excited about this one. Period. Just period. Y'all see this wig? Oh my god, y'all, like, I love this wig, y'all. And my favorite color is purple, like lavender purple, y'all. So when I saw this wig, I was just like, yes ma'am. I got this wig from glamtress.com. They do have different colors, so if you guys aren't feeling the purple lavender, icy lavender, storm queen, then of course you can get you another color. But y'all, I'm really just trying to record it, that's all. I do want to start showing y'all what do you call it, run through tests. So y'all, with this wig I can run through, but I gotta yank it, y'all. I gotta yank it. You will experience a little tangling, a little tangling, little tangle. And then of course shedding. Shedding is with every wig, synthetic or not. It's just the amount of shedding that is acceptable. But y'all, for this wig, I am getting some shedding. I don't expect this wig to be like top quality, whatever, but y'all, she is cute. So as long as you keep a brush with you, you good, sis, you good. I just like this color. Do y'all like this color on me, or am I just like hyping myself up? Because to myself I look cute, but I don't know how it looks on camera, y'all. Let me know. Of course, if y'all are interested in this wig, it will be linked down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for another video, y'all. We are going up, all the way up. Yes, y'all, when we get to 10K, do not forget there will be a wig giveaway. So don't forget to tell your sister, baby daddy, auntie, cousin, favorite auntie, cousin, baby daddy, uncle, twin, friend, ex-bestie, new bestie, co-workers, manager, Facebook friend, Twitter friend, Instagram friend, stranger that you see on the street. Y'all, let everybody know that when we get to 10K there will be a wig giveaway. So tell them to subscribe. Tell them to go ahead and subscribe so you can go ahead and enter and win your wig, sis. You holding it up. Tell people to subscribe. Shoot. I see y'all comments though. I see y'all. I see y'all. More videos during the week. More wig videos during the week, not just Wig Wednesday. Again, cannot keep up with all these wigs with just on Wednesdays, so there will be more wig videos throughout the week. Hope you guys enjoy, hope you guys are excited about the new change and the more content that I'm bringing out, the more wigs I'm bringing out to y'all. Help y'all save these coins, y'all. We still slaying on the budget, y'all. We still slaying. Don't play. Don't sleep on it. Huh? Oh, okay. Yeah, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in my next video. Later.